go down, need it up, need it up, down, go down, go down.
Tuesday morning and I just arrived to work, so I'm about to go in. It has been an amazing morning. I don't have my voice, so I've been able to just kind of like do my thing, get ready, handle some stuff at the house, clean up a little bit so that when I get off tonight, I can just like get into my evening and not have to worry about too much. Yesterday, I was mentioning though that I am debating on taking this hair down. So I'm still feeling the same way. Like it's just, I don't know. There's something about having my hair braided up for too long. Like I just need to like, you know, get free and get a really good wash and condition in. So that is probably going to end up happening because I just don't think I can wait till the weekend. The other thing is I am trying to come up with some ideas for a new intro for this channel. I'm going to be shooting on Saturday. That's the current plan, to shoot on Saturday and do some quick little cute footage to have a nice intro to set up the channel and set up the videos for the channel, because I want people when they come into the video to have a kind of a sense for who I am and what the video and the channel is about. So I'm looking forward to doing that, but I kind of need to come up with an idea because I don't want it to be drawn out when we go to shoot and when he goes to edit. Like I want to be very straight to the point as to what the expectation is. So I need to figure it out. I've only got a couple days left. So if you guys have any ideas around what would be an amazing intro for this channel, something simple. I don't want to overcomplicate things. I want to keep it real simple to the point, but at the same time, kind of leave people with a feel for what my channel is about and to get them excited about the video that is going to be, you know, upcoming after that intro. So that is one thing. Another thing, I want to do a blitz next month. So I think we're going to do a 3-day-a-week blitz in the month of April. We're going to start with that, and then I might be able to work my way up from 3 days to something else. But we're going to do 3 days to start with, and I'm super excited. I actually got this idea from my girl Esther. So if you guys want to have a blitz, let me know down below, as well as I didn't do my roll call yet. So I want to know who's here. So go ahead and drop a star in the comment section as well and let me know that you made it into the video. But y'all, let's go ahead and get into this day. I got a lot of stuff going on. I have some things I need to like get after and some people I need to track down. So I'm gonna get after that, and I will check in with you guys in a little bit. So I just finished lunch. I hope I don't have food in my mouth. It was so good. I feel like I ate the most amazing bomb lunch. It was a panko chicken with Brussels sprouts glazed with this sauce. I don't even know what the sauce is. And bacon, and it also was some cucumber. They call it cucumber sonomono, I think is how you pronounce that. I always mess up the name whenever I try to tell you guys. But long story short, it was bomb. Also had miso soup, and I'm in love with miso soup. It's kind of like a fish broth or fish-based broth, and it has mushrooms. So I don't typically eat the mushrooms. I'm not a mushroom girl, never required a taste. However, the soup is absolutely delicious. So that was my meal for today. I'm headed to a meeting, so I'm actually going pretty quickly trying to get to this meeting I have at 1 o'clock. I am the lead for the meeting, so I facilitate the conversation and basically facilitate the status updates for the senior leadership. So I need to get over there, get all my stuff ready. We're in a different room, so I'm gonna try to send an email to everybody just to remind them to check the location. But other than that, that is kind of what's going on with me right now. I just kind of wanted to check in, break up the video just a little bit before I get into the evening, because I was like, you know, I gotta switch it up just a pinch. But yeah, I just wanted to check in with you guys really quickly before I finish up the rest of my day in the building and then head out of here so that I can go home and get into the rest of my evening. Hey guys, so I'm at Destiny's house and she's about to take my hair down so I can wash it and start all over again. You know, I gotta get in there, I gotta get to them roots. So yeah, I was just looking and seeing how, I'm like looking at my hair, I feel like it looks like it's grown a lot since I had it installed. It's been a little bit over, I think a month, like maybe 5 weeks, maybe 6 weeks. So it's time, it's time. I'm surprised I was able to last this long, but your girl did pretty good, so I'm proud of myself. I was able to even relay my frontal like an expert and everything, and I don't think it looked bad. What y'all think? Y'all look how much hair I have. Woo! Ready to step out now.
The finished product. Nice.
Oh man. Hey, we in there now, okay? Hey guys, so I'm out at the store picking up some food for the dogs. My hair looks kind of crazy. I don't even feel comfortable vlogging like this, but I'm gonna fix my hair in a little bit when I get home. I still have like gel all in my hair. Oh my God. Or not gel, glue. That's a little oil will get me just back right. But anyways, my dogs needed some food, so I'm picking up some food for the dog. And I'm gonna go home. I have a HelloFresh box at the house, so I'm probably gonna cook my HelloFresh tonight, and hopefully it's enough. It's for 4 people, and it's me, Brian, Amana, and my oldest son, Arius. So we will try it out and see if it's hitting, if it's good. I hope it's enough though, because obviously men eat more than I eat and Amana eats, so I just really hope we're not still sitting there looking at each other hungry, because they eat for 2 people and I eat for 1. So I will try to show you guys what it's looking like when I get home, but that's the plan for the evening. Okay guys, it's time to crack into dinner. Extra something just for you. The first entree is hot honey chicken, and it looks really, really delicious. And then the second entree is Parmesan crusted chicken. Okay, you guys, this says it takes 10 minutes to cook. I was on here, it has it on the left hand side. Hopefully you can kind of see that. So it's 10-minute cook, 35 minutes in total, 670 calories. Here are the ingredients here. I don't want to make this like a really long drawn out video, so I'm going to try to be like straight to the point, but as I said, it looks good, and this is what we're doing. So I need 2 baking sheets, a large bowl, medium bowl, plastic wrap, paper towels, olive oil, butter, vegetable oil. The ingredients are potatoes, barbecue seasoning, breadcrumbs, chicken breast, sour cream, broccoli, and hot honey. Preheat the oven to 425. I can do that. Wash and dry all produce, diced potatoes, toss on baking sheet with olive oil and barbecue seasoning, pepper, and large pinch of salt. Okay, so I just opened up the bag. Broccoli, more broccoli, sweet and smoky barbecue, breadcrumbs, panko breadcrumbs, potatoes, sour cream, and hot honey. Okay, let's get going, y'all. Let's get going. I'm hungry. Let's get the show on the road, because your girl is ready to smash. So I cut up the potatoes and I'm about to put it on the baking sheet. I just need to add a little bit of olive oil, so let me get that. Okay guys, I'm gonna walk you through this next part like super fast. I oiled the pan that I'm gonna put the chicken in. They had me mix all the seasonings together with some butter that I melted in the microwave. So basically in here, there's a teaspoon of olive oil, the butter, there's 2 teaspoons of butter, barbecue seasoning, pepper, and salt, and then I'm also gonna add the panko. So I gotta add the panko to this, and then we're basically going to put sour cream on the chicken and then put this over the top of the chicken. realized I didn't show you guys my hair, so look how long it is. Like, and this is wet. When Destiny was pulling it after she like unbraided it, it was crazy long. Like, this is crazy. I'm hoping once I get the hang of getting back into the whole wash and go, it doesn't shrink up like it is right now. But I'm gonna do a 3-strand twist tomorrow and see if I can get it to look a little bit longer. But it's looking cute so far, and I did the little edges thing right here. You know, gotta work it out just a little bit, you know, just gotta make the curls pop. The curls are so much more work though than having a weave. Oh my God. Like, the weave is easy, y'all. Like, literally all I do is I wrap it at nighttime. I wake up in the morning, I bump it, like get the little areas that be like having a bump in them, straighten it out, and I run out the house. It's so easy. And on the weekends, I'd have to like lay the actual frontal back down and clean it off and all that stuff and wash the hair. But during the week, it's so easy. So getting back to my real hair and actually having to do it is going to be very interesting. I hope I can keep up with it, because the last time, which is why I actually came back into the weave, I ended up like in a bun for, it was like days after days after days. So I was like, let me just put this weave back in. So I hope I can keep up with it, because I feel like my curls are looking really great. Uh-oh, I think my foot is ready. And y'all, that was really good. That was like actually pretty fire. I really am feeling that panko crusted that they did. It's funny because my lunch today was actually a panko crusted chicken. I had no clue that was what I was getting. I totally forgot, but it was super delicious. Like, the way that they did the barbecue sauce and then the topping over the top, phenomenal. The potatoes were really good, and I've never bought potatoes like that. And the broccoli, I actually did my broccoli on the stove. They call for the broccoli to be cooked in the microwave, but I'm not about microwaving my vegetable unless it's the ones that come packaged for that. So I just put mine on the stove and it was fire, and I think everybody liked it. Brian's plate's empty, Arius is over there smashing, so I love it. Now, the question that I had is HelloFresh worth the money? And I will say it's not cheap, because I feel like I can go to the grocery store and stretch my penny. However, what I will say, this was super creative, and I was sitting here trying to think, could I replicate this meal and do it on my own? And honestly, there's a couple parts about the meal that they kind of stumped me on, because they sent things already pre-packaged. Like, for example, the barbecue sauce was pre-packaged. The sauce at the end that you put over top of the chicken is pre-packaged. So they kind of are smart from that perspective, because somebody like me, I'm gonna be like, okay, let me add this to my little like recipe repertoire, and I'm gonna try to like copy it and do it later on. And that's where they kind of got me, because I'm like, dang, I don't even know where to start with that barbecue sauce. I don't know where to start with that seasoning, or the what do you call it, the sauce at the end. So that's where they definitely got me, and I'm gonna have to figure that out. But I will say it was really delicious. It was definitely creative, and I've been ordering, like, so I have like 2 weeks already registered. So I got this week, and then I have next week's order put in. And I've been doing chicken, because we don't really eat pork, beef. It's mainly chicken over here. So I got it ordered. Looking forward to next week's order as well. And I kind of feel like it's worth it. But at the same time, if you have a family of 4 and it's guys, it's gonna be really stretching it. And it was just 3 of us tonight, and we're stretching it. So that's the only thing I would like put out there as a disclaimer, is that serving sizes are definitely like true to the calories they put on that piece of paper. If you have people who like to eat, this may not be for them. But that's the only disclaimer. It was delicious, very tasty, super creative, and for sure a spin on chicken that I would have never thought to do on my own. With that, I'm about to get up out of here, you guys. It's getting late. I actually didn't get here till late because I had to obviously get to these curls and just kind of like get my hair back right. But I just want to say I appreciate you guys so much. If you haven't dropped a star in the comment section, go ahead and do that now before you get up out of here. And if you're a newbie to my channel, hit the subscribe button and become a part of this bomb community over here, because you are not going to want to miss any of my videos in the future. But with that, I'll see you guys on the flip side. I appreciate you so much, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.